Hello.
3 times.
Hello.
3 times alone. Right there.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay, and right now I'm with
The Kush Clan.
The
Kush Clan.
The Kush Clan. Which includes who and who, but then I don't know.
Benji Kush.
Benji Kush.
AJ Kush, Z.
Chad Kush. Dilly Kush.
Alright, so we have our camera person right over here. Now today we are going to be doing the obstacle challenge. If you look in my yard right now, I don't know if I ask them something there, but anyways, we have some little challenges for them though. Now we're going to start off. Here's the rules. I realize I'm basing it on this, so now let's start down this so. And I have 4 stones when I can't pick up more than 1 at a time. So they go, run, and pick up, carry down this so. Then carry the basin, run round this 1 time, sit down, then they go, you got jump 3 times. How much time?
Wait, when they must let me basin.
Right, that's all. Then I go jump 3 times. Much time?
3 times.
3 times. Then you're going to come with it. There's something here. I'm going to just take out them. I want to find one balloon. So I'm going to take a balloon, blow up a balloon tight, go to that chair. I'm going to burst the balloon. Then I'm going to have the plank up there, so you know, so I'm going to walk on the plank. And then right at the plank, I want to do it with something.
Right here.
1 spoon and 1 lime supposed to do it. What I'm supposed to use to walk over the plank. Now, the fastest time is going to win. And let me tell you what you're going to win.
First and second place.
I want place, me I do it. Everybody ready to hear what they're going to win?
First and second place.
Everybody ready to hear what I'm going to win?
Yeah.
You are going to win $1,000 worth of credit.
Credit!
$1,000 worth of credit.
Any man in the cashier? Cashier. Me what did you say? 300 Anna.
Are you earning that much money? Anyways, alright guys, so we're going to begin with me. Me not gonna really win. Me not gonna win, but me I just do it for fun. Yes. Bye.
Sit down. That's the time they now win. I know you planning. Lose your time. Thief.
Mark. Set. Go. Woo! You have style. Go AJ! Go AJ! You don't take time to side one. That worked. That worked. Go AJ! Woo! Alright!
Mark. Set. Go.
Woo! Here we go. Woo! Go, Chad. Yes.
Don't.
Yeah. Woo! Nice, so far. For the first time to beat. Okay. Yeah.
Mark. Set. Go.
Go, KJ.
Boy, see how the piece here shoot. Wait, boy, see shoot. Blow. Don't touch. Boy, I can't tell. Balloon for park. Get out.
Woo!
What's in there?
I'm sorry. 42. Ready?
Set. Go.
Woo! Go, Delano! Quit skipping now. I don't skip at all. How much time? I like.
But Chad will have kill him so.
Alright guys, results are in. Delano go 41 seconds. You don't know?
Blow out no balloon. Blow up him.
Little.
What man want to do
Little
about
bad.
so far?
But
we stop in time. He stop in time for you.
So,
Time win.
yeah. So, our winner. Get so Zala credit.